Meaning of germ warfare.
Germ warfare.
Germ warfare.
Germ warfare.
Germ warfare. Germ warfare, also known as biological warfare, refers to the deliberate use of disease-causing microorganisms or toxins to harm or kill people, animals, or plants. It involves the use of biological agents such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or their byproducts to spread disease or destruction in a targeted population. The effects of germ warfare can be devastating, resulting in illness, death, and long-term health consequences. In addition to its human toll, germ warfare can also have significant economic, social, and political impacts, making it a dangerous and highly controversial form of warfare.